Hi everyone, I'm Mary Wall, and I've got something really important to talk to you about. Today is April 25th, so that means we are just 1 month away from my favorite holiday. That's right, National Tap Dance Day, or actually International Tap Dance Day, because it is now celebrated around the world, is happening on May 25th. And I love this day, I love this holiday, I love to get together with people and tap dance on this holiday. And last year, I did a live stream on my YouTube channel where I taught the first 2 choruses of the Shim Sham Shimmy. The response was wonderful. People tuned in from all over the world and we shim sham together. And then the bonus of that is that live stream, even though it's not live anymore, but that video is available for you to watch anytime you want. So I didn't want to do the Shim Sham again since I already did that and it's there for you to see. I'm trying to decide what to do. Do I teach a piece of original choreography? Do I find another traditional piece of choreography to teach? Or do I teach a class like I would teach a normal class in a studio? And if I do, what level? Do I do something for my never too late people? Maybe you know some of the basics and you want to start doing a little bit of level 1 choreography. Or maybe you're kind of in the level 2 range and you want to do something there, or level 3. I don't know. I can't decide what to do. So here's what I want you to do. Comment below. Let me know what you would like. What if you could choose what I'm going to do on my live stream for National Tap Dance Day, what would you want it to be? And I'll take all these comments and suggestions into consideration, and hopefully in the next week or 2, I will make some decisions and let you know what I'm planning to do. I'll also let you know when on May 25th to tune in for the live stream. I tell you, last year it was a lot of fun. I had some of my old students came on. I also had people I'd never met before from all over the world get on and participate. So I would really love to have something like that happen again. So let me know what you want. Comment below. Keep an eye out in the next week or 2. I'll let you know what I'm going to do and when to tune in on May 25th. And I can't wait to tap dance with you.